How to find Spotify pie chart. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. If you're also trying to find in the Spotify pie chart of your played songs on Spotify, then in this video let me quickly show you. So for this, let's open up a web browser because we cannot view the Spotify pie within the app of Spotify or through the website. We'll need to use a different website. So just search for Spotify pie and you're gonna end up in this result. Tap on the first option or the first website, which is called Spotify pie. Once you tap on it, it's gonna take you to this interface. Now from here you just need to tap on log into Spotify and then log into your account of Spotify using your email address, username and your password. Now once you are logged in, you will see this screen again. Tap on agree and your Spotify pie chart will be visible in this screen. Currently it is not showing up on mine. If you're also having this issue, you can try again in a few hours, but it should be showing up for you if there is no issue with it. So that was the exact process on how to find a Spotify pie chart. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.